Everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are fixing the hood struts. This hood doesn't want to stay up by itself anymore. So this is a demonstration. So this is really weak that it just falls right down if you let go. So this is the strut, hood strut. And I'll show you where I ordered it from the link below. But let's go ahead and get started. This is how I've been keeping my hood up. I take a pair of vice grips, pop the hood up, and I just clamp that strut, and it holds up. You can see. So the vice grip, you can clamp it onto the metal section right there, and it keeps it from sliding down into the tube. So all you need is a new replacement. So I was able to find the same OEM brand. I think it's called Stapleless Lift-O-Mat. And here's the item number. So go ahead and open it. Make sure it's the same size. And it looks like it fits perfect. Here's the label on the side of it as well. It's kind of hard to see. But okay, let's go ahead and you need a little flathead screwdriver. Something pretty thin so it can slide in between with a little slot. And then you put it in and you lift like that. Or you can go from this side like this. But what I do, I go from the bottom and I push up. So I'll show you right now. So right now, either you get a helper or I use my head and I lift the hood and I hold the hood with my head. So you put it in through like that and then you just lift. There. And you can see the clip can slide out. Anyways, yeah, so the clip can come off completely if you need it. So I'm still balancing the hood with my head, so it's kind of hard to see. There. All right, well, I'm using my hand to hold it. But that's basically the screwdriver. Set that aside. Grab the new strut. And now I'm holding it with my head. And then push the body in. And then this side, lower the hood a little so it lines up to the wall and the connector. And just press in. I'm done. Take a close up picture. So that's a new strut right now. Or it's holding up by itself. Let's go ahead and test the hood. Closed. Lift it. There you go. It lifts up by itself. All right. Well, if you want to fix your hood, you can probably purchase it from the link below or just research the part number anywhere. But all right. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips on how to fix your car.